Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Happy Halloween. This will be published tomorrow. So, actually, I'll publish one of these tonight, and then the rest will be tomorrow. Kathy's coming over, and she'll do a special Halloween Kathy's Corner unboxing tomorrow. I'll not show you what it is, but hello, Fluffy. Fluffy slept with me all afternoon. This is Kathy's anniversary present. So you'll see that live tomorrow. Okay, we have the first item, a box, and this is, I'm not sure about this because I didn't read the print. We have caraway summer sausage. We have garlic summer sausage. We have summer sausage. We have garlic summer sausage again, and another caraway. I'll probably give one caraway and the two garlics to Kathy. All right, that's this box. Have a great night. Happy hauntings. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.